Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be making a Slugburger over the IKEA stove. So you're probably wondering, is this going to have slugs in it? No, I'm sorry, there's no slugs in this burger. The reason they call it the Slugburger is because it actually originated in Mississippi, northern Mississippi. I learned this from watching the burger show here on YouTube. Sorry, I'm putting sticks in my fire. And apparently the burger was called the Slugburger because it was only 5 cents, and they used to call nickels slugs. So I thought it seemed interesting, so I thought I'd come out and do a video. Plus I love burgers, so just throwing some fuel in so I can get the meat out. Okay, so I'm going to take about half of this meat, and what they do is they mix their ground beef. I guess you can't see that. So what they do is with this is they mix breadcrumbs in with the meat. And the idea is that while the burger is cooking, rather than those delicious fatty meats render out of the burger, the breadcrumbs actually absorbed by the breadcrumbs. Rather, the breadcrumbs absorb the meat fats and all those delicious flavors. So. Patty formed up. There we go. There's my skillet. I'm going to put in just a wee bit of oil, olive oil, just a tiny bit. There's probably enough grease in the and it's a perfect fit. Alright. Let's see if you can. Just a bit. Alright, I'm going to prepare the bun. So it's really simple how this burger is. It's just mustard and pickles, and that's all. So I just have mustard packets because, you know, it's easy, they're portable. I can just throw them away. There's no containers. Mustard. Yeah, that's looking real good. Nope. Some juice comes out, it looks pretty clear, so it should be done. Nice. This is just ground chuck, by the way, so that's the patty. Just put it right on the bun. There we go. A Slugburger. Unfortunately, no cheese, but alright. Give the sucker a try. Well, that's good. I mean, granted, there's no bacon, there's no cheese, but you know, for simplicity's sake, that's a tasty burger, man. It's a real tasty burger. Well, alright, as always, I appreciate watching, and I'm going to finish my burger and move on to the next video. So, have a good one.